modified organisms, Institutional Biosafety Committee, and the Review Committee on Genetic Manipulation for evaluation of important preclinical aspects of various similar biological products. And also, RCGM is also encouraging industry people, those who want to do for research and development on similar biological products. With close coordination as a regulator, I am happy that they have invited me, and I am also thankful to Drugs Control General India for nominating here to interact with all industry people. More than 225 delegates attended from different parts of Northeast area region. First time in the history of the regulatory department, I think I have not seen any workshop like this. I am thankful to NIPER, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Director, Dr. U.S.N. Murthy Garu, and his team, Dr. Naidu, Dr. Namu, and other people who are dedicated to this important event since last 1.5 months. They are fully engaged with respect to their traditional activities. As a challenge they do, and they are very happy. And CDSCO, Dr. Sucheta Banerjee Madam, and other people, and Dr. Alka Sharma also, she is also from DBT, Niti Ayog, Dr. Madan Gopalji also given clear thoughts with respect to promotion of industry people, how they are doing for the cluster development, how they are promoting the incubators, biotechnology park, medtech zones for devices manufacturing, etc. So we are having full support with them with respect to promoting innovation and also to facilitate industry for resolving issues of various regulatory concerns. Thank you, Varanda, and I am very happy. This is going to be more useful to all industry people, those who have attended today, and various parts of the Northeast region. People are attending from manufacturing and operation control side, quality control side, quality assurance, marketing, formulation development, and the research and development side also. They are having different engagement with respect to manufacturing activities, but by and large it is going to be useful as per their requirement with respect to the new drug rules and clinical trial rules framed in the year 1990s, the new medical devices rules, in vitro diagnostic rules published in 2017, which is effective from 2018 also going to be clearly understandable, and it is going to be useful to them for innovation to meet the expectations of Niti Ayog, to transform from negativity to positivity and challenges to